Y'all, I don't know what it is, but people are wanting orders. I mean, they're wanting food and they're wanting other things today. I just got a stacked order. It's actually for the same customer. This customer wants something from Dollar General, which means
shop and deliver.
And they also want something from Taco Bell. So yes. It's gonna put me at, I think, probably around $30, somewhere close to $30, and I haven't even been dashing 2 hours, so that's pretty good for small town. All right, let me go in here to Dollar General and do this shop and deliver. Let me check and see how many items it is.
Y'all, it's only 2 items. I'm winning.
You know, I gotta have my red card. This is not the pay card or the gas card. This is just a red card to shop with whenever you go to Dollar General or somewhere like that.
Lost in your eyes.
It's not working out. Neither of the items are available, but hopefully she'll do a substitution for the last item. As you can see, they refunded her for the first one, so we'll see a substitution, and they do have it. Y'all, I hate that they didn't have what she wanted. And from now on, this is a lesson for me. From now on, I'm going to just text the customer before I click unavailable. Because if I had texted her and, asked, hey, would you like a substitution before I clicked unavailable, item unavailable, then that would have worked out, because she did want another item. She didn't mind this other item that had, I think it was the pretzels and extra cheese, and it was in the goldfish. So yeah, that's kind of on me. That's one of the things I can do better as a DoorDasher. Just don't click item unavailable. Don't be so quick to click that. Just send the customer a text message and say, hey, would you like a substitute? They don't have it, and I didn't want to put it in the app. You might want something that they do have. So definitely a lesson for today. So just keep that in mind. Now I'm headed to do the second part of her order, and that is Taco Bell. They've got it already, y'all. They're ready. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay, let's head to
Jennifer.
Y'all, she's a regular, so I appreciate her, because she's giving me business. But at the same time, she wants me to open the gate, put her food on a certain chair and all that. And then I guess she's being safe, though, because I could be somebody crazy or some dude that's gonna harm her. Yeah, I had to open the gate for her and do all this other stuff.